Welcome to Dune Perspectives. I took a week off due to some changes in my status as a volunteer here at Penny Sand Dunes. Working on, now officially I am the coordinator for the photographers. From what I understand, there's about 40 of them that I'm coordinating. So getting access to all their information and contributing to their success as photographers here at the dunes. Focusing on photography of insects. Also here all week, because I took my week, one of my weeks of vacation, and I'm spending as much of it here at the dunes as possible. I did some weeding this morning. I met with the chair of the Penny Sand Dunes of the Friends group, and we were able to discuss some work that needs to be done, some challenges that we are having, and it was a very productive meeting. I was also able to spot and photograph a number of cool things like butterflies, moths, bees, a robber fly, and a number of other species. The weather has held off. It was supposed to rain today, thunderstorm, but it turned out to be a really nice day. May have been a little hotter than comfortable for a lot of volunteers, but they came out anyways. They had some fun. We saw some caterpillars and some butterflies. Until next time.